Hi yogis, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would practice a meditation and getting ourselves grounded for our day. And this idea came up for me as I am doing this in my own practice. I started yesterday with it as I was doing my meditation and channeling time. I had the message of to get grounded with my intention for the day. And every day I write my to-do list, and I don't always get everything done on the to-do list, which I have learned to be okay with that. But I haven't yet practiced like getting myself grounded in my intention for the day, or with each area that I'm intending on working on for the day. And so that came up for me yesterday, to get grounded in each area. So as I was in my meditation, I just felt the need to journal down my intention for the day, and then writing somewhat like a personal affirmation for that, or really writing out what my intention was behind it and getting grounded in it. But then the most important thing was for me to remember to come back to my intention and my grounding with each task on my to-do list, because I can often get distracted and go off onto doing other things, or I can sometimes procrastinate on things. And then I find myself afterwards being frustrated because I got distracted, or I didn't complete something because I allowed myself to procrastinate. And yesterday I got to practice coming back to what was my intention for this task, and go back to the grounding, go back to grounding myself in it again. And I think that's such a beautiful practice to be able to do. So then I thought, well, let's share that. Why not share that? Because I'm sure I'm not the only person out there that has difficulty staying grounded in your intention, whether that be, your intention for the year, your intention for the month, or whatever that may be. I know we all set intentions, goals, whatever you choose to call them. And just now being able to incorporate a practice of keeping yourself grounded in that, and being okay when you get distracted, and then just bringing yourself back to that. So we'll do a seated meditation. I'm going to bring in some affirmations, and then I also just got this deck of cards. Went to Sedona a couple weeks ago and got this deck of cards on mudras. And because I am just learning about mudras, well, not just learning, I've learned about them, but now I'm really educating myself on the mudras. And there's one for grounding, and I thought, oh, well, let's bring that in. And so if you're familiar with the chakras, grounding is related with our root chakra. So our centering area, our grounding, our stability, security. And so we're going to bring this in. So I'm going to practice this first, and I hope I don't mess up the pronunciation of this, but I believe in Sanskrit it's Bahu Mudra. So what we do is we make like peace fingers. So bringing our two peace fingers up, and then the ring finger and pinky down, and then just gently placing the thumb on top of those other two fingers. And then keeping that little peace sign, that little V, we're just going to bring the index finger and middle finger to the earth. So just the tips of the fingers are to the earth. Or if you're elevated, if you're sitting up on something and that's a little bit too difficult to have the arms somewhat relaxed, you can bring them to the thighs, just so the tips of the fingers are placing to your thighs. All right, so let's get started. Let's get comfortable here in your easy seated pose, maybe crisscross applesauce. Maybe you have yourself elevated. Let's root down through the sit bones and take an inhale, lengthen up nice and tall. And then as you exhale, let the shoulders soften without losing the integrity of your posture. And in your seated pose, it's really important to find that place where you're not holding the body so tight that you're really rigid. You want to find where you can hold the pose with integrity, yet find that softening. Let's take a cleansing breath here. Inhale through the nose to the belly. Open mouth, exhale. And once again, full inhale. Open mouth, exhale. And allowing yourself to come back to your breath. And letting the jaw be relaxed. The muscles around your eyes and brow. Connecting with your breath. Notice where the body is holding or resisting. And giving the body permission to soften. I am grounded. I am grounded in what I want to create today. I am grounded. I set my intentions for today and I'm excited for what I get to create and manifest. I am grounded. I am grounded in who I am. I am grounded in what I want. I am grounded in my ability to accomplish all that I want to today. I am grounded with my intention for today. I am grounded. I know that I can come back to this grounding meditation, to this grounding affirmation at any time throughout my day when I find myself getting distracted, or when I find myself procrastinating. I know that I can come back and get myself re-grounded. I am grounded. I am grounded in what I want to create today. I am grounded. I set my intentions for today and am excited for what I get to create and manifest. I am grounded. I am grounded in who I am. I am grounded in what I want. I am grounded in I get to create and manifest my intentions. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am grounded. As I keep myself grounded, I find myself excited to elevate, to expand. I am grounded. I am grounded in what I want to create today. I am grounded. And bringing a gentle smile to your face. A gentle smile to your heart. Allowing the excitement of your day ahead to flood through your whole body, knowing that you are now grounded and ready to take on your day. And remembering that you always have permission to come back to this regrounding. I am grounded. Breathing it in and breathing it out. Gently opening the eyes. Let's bring the palms of the hands together, Anjali Mudra. And gently bowing our heads. I hope this meditation, this practice, supported you in getting yourself grounded for your day, giving yourself permission to come back if need be. And reminding you that you get to create and manifest your intentions. Wishing you a beautiful day full of manifestation, abundance, beauty, grace, love, compassion, peace. And just feeling it all. Thank you, thank you, thank you for doing this meditation practice for yourself and for practicing with me. Namaste.